Hi everybody, my name is Oh, I'm tired. Hi, my name is Hayes. I'm a photographer. Hi, my name is Queer and I'm a photographer. I think you don't have a studio? Well, you don't need one. Let me show you how to make any location your studio fast. You know how much I love working on location, working in beautiful places, using them, the environment, as my background for my fitness, sports, circus, dance, photography. But sometimes your client may ask you to shoot these same images with a neutral background or with the absence of it. So how can you make this happen? So there is really an easy solution for this. You don't really have to own your own backdrop. You can only bring one light and you can do this anywhere. So for example, for these shots, for these sports portraits, we were on a basketball court and I needed to focus on my subject and I didn't want anything recognizable in the background. In the past, I've talked about how much I love to underexpose my background on my images to have this dark contrasted look. I even made a video about it. You can click on the link in the description. Yeah, click on the link in the description box below. Well, here you pretty much do the same, but instead of underexposing the background, you totally kill the ambient light. A high f-stop, a high shutter speed, and a low ISO. Now all you have to do is compensate and correctly expose your subject with your flash. And voila, you have your shot that could have been made in the studio, but was not. Now make sure you have enough space around you, nothing close to your subject or close to you. No large object, no wall that can reflect the light of your flash. But what if you're working in a small bedroom with walls, obstacles, objects, windows everywhere? Kill the lights, close the curtains, trying to find a spot where you can at least work with a 50mm lens. Then you will have to find anything that can be used as a backdrop. Curtains, bed sheets, anything that is dark, obviously. Here we used a paravent, a folding screen, as a backdrop for these few portraits. Anyways, you're not gonna see the background, you're gonna underexpose this background, so you will barely see any details. So there you have it, quick tip, you don't have to bring tons of gear on location. I personally only had my backpack with all my gear in it, 2 flashes, 2 Broncolor cell, 2 light stands, and that was it. Of course, you can do the exact same thing with only 1 light. Another little thing, I mentioned it last week, the Edge mask by Broncolor. Another way to make dark silhouettes, dark portraits with only 1 light. It's really easy to set up. The Broncolor Edge mask is a really cool tool for me to propose another look during my portrait sessions. free. You can ask me anything there or here in a comment section below. Press that bell if you don't want to miss my next post, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And for support, give the little thumbs up, share this video even if you hated it. And yeah, you will have to get used to it. Rendezvous next week, and until then, have a good one.